There's a type of cake that's been causing a stir in the sweet treats community lately. Victoria's Secret angel Gisele Bundchen, pop star Rita Ora, and supermodel Chrissy Teigen, singer Beyoncé, Kaitlyn Bristowe and Sean Booth, and even former US President Barack Obama have all succumbed to the allure of this treat. Have you guessed what it is yet? Yes, it's the colorful donuts from the city that never sleeps, Las Vegas, where donut shops are open 24/7. So what makes these donuts so irresistible? Welcome to Captain Discovery. Join us to take an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how the most famous donuts in Las Vegas are crafted. Don't miss out. Subscribe to the Captain Discovery channel now and start your exciting adventure. Where do donuts come from? Travel back to the 17th century and imagine yourself on an exploration ship, where Dutch explorers carried fried cakes in hot fat to maintain their energy on long sea voyages. These are oliekokes or oil cakes. The Dutch explorers brought donuts to North America, marking the beginning of their journey. Fast forward to 1847. An American sailor named Hanson Gregory faced a big problem. On a sea voyage, Gregory noticed that the center of the cake often remained undercooked. In a moment of improvisation, he used a pepper shaker to punch a hole in the middle, creating the iconic ring-shaped donut we know today. This simple yet innovative act allowed the donut to cook evenly and quickly, cementing the donut's iconic shape. During World War II, donuts became a favorite among American soldiers. The donut dollies of the Salvation Army served donuts to soldiers, bringing joy and a taste of home amid the war. The story of donuts in Las Vegas began in the 1970s as the city emerged as a premier tourist destination. The donut shops here create innovative donuts with a variety of flavors and unique shapes, ranging from seasonal varieties to giant donuts that have attracted a large number of tourists. From this historical tale, let's step into the process of making the captivating donuts of Las Vegas. What makes a Las Vegas donut so special? The secret begins with high-quality ingredients. Flour, sugar, eggs, and butter form the foundation of these delights. Each batch of dough is made with care, ensuring the perfect ratio for a light, fluffy texture. Did you know mixing dough is an art? After preparing the ingredients, the next step is mixing. Precision is key, as overmixing can lead to tough donuts. The mixture is then allowed to proof, where the dough rises and develops its characteristic texture. Imagine watching the dough slowly rise, like a little miracle happening right before your eyes. Why do donuts have such perfect shapes? After proofing, the dough is rolled out and cut into shapes. Automatic donut cutters with rotating blades save time and ensure each donut meets standards. According to recent statistics, around 10 billion donuts are consumed annually in the US alone. If you line up 10 billion donuts consecutively, each with an average diameter of about 10 centimeters, the total length would be 1 million kilometers. This is equivalent to wrapping around the Earth 25 times, as the circumference of the Earth is approximately 40,075 kilometers. Whether your favorite shop is St. Honor, Donut Bar, or another one, share your experiences in the comments. Have you ever wondered why donuts are crispy on the outside but soft inside? The cut donuts are fried until golden brown. An automatic fryer precisely controls the temperature, ensuring each donut is fried to perfection. The fragrant aroma of fried dough fills the air, making anyone passing by stop and take a deep breath. A famous Las Vegas shop can fry up to 2,000 donuts a day, an impressive number. What makes a donut special? Once cooked, donuts are cooled slightly before being dipped in glaze or decorated with various toppings. Imagine hot, freshly made donuts dipped in a glossy, sweet glaze. Each donut becomes shiny, like being covered in a diamond coat. From classic sugar glazes to luxurious toppings like crushed cookies, or even edible gold leaf, creativity knows no bounds here. You can think of it as a colorful feast with a myriad of flavors, from sweet and creamy to rich and stimulating. Each donut isn't just made, it's crafted into an edible work of art. Have you ever wondered how many new flavors Las Vegas donut shops create each year to attract customers? It's amazing to know that each shop can introduce 10 to 20 new flavors annually. Why are Las Vegas donuts always exciting and fresh? The key to the famous Las Vegas donuts is constant innovation. Seasonal flavors, themed decorations, and limited-time offers keep the menu interesting and fresh. During holidays, you might find pumpkin-flavored donuts or Christmas tree-shaped ones, decorated with green icing and candy sprinkles. These seasonal flavors are often researched and developed a year in advance to ensure perfection. Did you know that sales of pumpkin-shaped donuts increased by 50% during Halloween compared to other donuts? Can you imagine a giant donut stuffed with a whole Pop-Tart inside? That's the Big Papa Tart Donut from Donut Bar, a creative masterpiece that attracts both diners and media attention. The combination of two beloved treats has created quite a buzz. How do donut shops protect the environment during production? Many Las Vegas donut shops are not only focused on product quality, but also on environmental protection. Some shops have switched to eco-friendly packaging, made from recycled and environmentally friendly materials. According to GreenBiz, using eco-friendly packaging can reduce plastic waste by up to 70%. Another crucial aspect is the use of cooking oil. Modern donut shops not only use high-quality cooking oil, but also implement measures to recycle used oil. The oil is collected and recycled into biodiesel, a clean and environmentally friendly fuel. Did you know that 1 gallon of cooking oil can be converted into 0.9 gallons of biodiesel? This process not only helps reduce waste, but also minimizes carbon emissions. Modern machinery in the production process is also designed to save energy and reduce emissions. Using organic and local ingredients not only enhances the quality of the donuts, but also contributes to environmental protection. It's the perfect combination of baking art and social responsibility. With such environmental protection measures, Las Vegas donut shops not only provide delicious treats, but also contribute to protecting our green planet. Are you ready to enjoy donuts that are both delicious and environmentally friendly? Come to Las Vegas and experience these unique and wonderful flavors for yourself. Thanks for exploring the Las Vegas Donuts production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.